But there's also this underlining piece of companies are starting to figure out the right problems to solve with this technology, which gets you faster to that 25%. And that is like the proving ground, right? And then by then you've got the transformation of workforce. To your point is now we have an infrastructure, now we have some talent, now we have some things where we feel secure about these types of things. We can fundamentally interrogate the capabilities of these tools. At the same time, these companies have done a great job of interrogating the implications of these tools on the workforce and on the day-to-day behavior of their employees. And I think it's that value construct coming together that really drives these things into this optimized world where companies can transform their workforce, look for new business models, things of that nature. So it's fun to me to see technology and business being forced to come closer together in this space, because that's how you get to that 25%. And that's how those companies are going to become the standard in their industry. And they're going to leave everybody else in the dust until someone can figure out how to do that unlock, to John's